Hello guys and welcome back to the Minecraft horror series. Today is the part 2 and we have a lot of things to do today. I wanna make a food source for like crops, we can make bread and we need to go mining to get iron for the cleaver. We need to get the meat from the skins. So first of all we need to make sure we have enough food to go out. And yes, we're gonna make a little garden. So we can make a little farm area like right here, I guess. What was that? Yo, that was scary. Oh my god. Did you guys see that? What was that? This was so weird. Oh, we don't have water here. We need to go find water. Down there is a lake. So in the first part there wasn't going on the crazy stuff, unless the end there was a one guy standing behind me. But this time, like we already saw here, it's gonna be a little spookier, I guess. But it isn't horror series, so it has to be spooky. I wonder, is it... Okay, the sun is going down. I can't make a bed. Okay, we need the wool. Wait, I can craft. I don't want to go out when it's night time, because night is the most likely time when the monsters lurk around. We don't have food, that's the problem. Oh god, it's dark down here. Oh, we need to light this up. Now let's take our pickaxe and start digging. In the caves there is a dweller called not the night dweller, the cave dweller. I have seen some other YouTubers play horror Minecraft and those have gotten pretty scary. This time we're not gonna make so long video, because last time it was 40 minutes, which I guess you guys didn't have time enough to watch it. This time I'm aiming for like 20 minutes. I'm a little bit scared too, because like who isn't? Oh no, my pickaxe is gonna break right now. Yep. Oh. Now I make a crafting table. Oh my god. Did you guys just hear that? That scared the crap out of me. It's so foggy down here. Where is all the iron? We need it. I don't want to go too deep because the cave dweller is deep and I don't want to meet him because that's probably gonna mean that I'm gonna die, which I don't want as well. So yeah, we're gonna stay above the deep slate. This is night right now. Now it's daytime. You know what? Let's just not mine for right now. Let's go and get the farm. We really need food. Okay. Chill out. Did you guys see that? This is the one who watches. And he normally like stares at you. But right now I saw him move. And he didn't disappear. You know what? We're blocking this up for the night. Yo, there was something out there. Okay guys, I'm scared. I guess you guys don't want to see the nighttime. So if nothing happens, I'm gonna skip this part and wait until the day. Okay guys, it's officially daytime now. The sun is rising. And we are going to a trip to make a farm. Okay, the one who watches is gone. And nothing seems to be unnormal. So down there we gonna make a farm for the food. If you guys are listening closely, I have a background music to like kind of calm me down because I'm nervous. Yeah, and you know what? We're gonna make this like a little empty over here. with the farming slot. So we're gonna make a little farm place here. Ooh. Oh my god! Oh my god, guys. I cannot look at this! Okay, it's stuck. It's stuck there. I guess it can't reach me. I guess it can't reach me. Oh my god. I can't do this. Why is this night right now? Okay, we can place blocks right now. Oh my god. Okay, guys. What did just happen? Why it is nighttime again? Okay, the boat worked. He got stuck to it. But for now, we are closing this up. This was way too close. Was he up there waiting for me to come down here and jump me? Like what? Okay, this was a close call. So one thing to note about, make sure you have a roof on top of you, because this here was terrifying. I need to get a therapy after playing this. Why did it turn night? Also mention down in the comments if if you see something that I didn't see, because I guess I'm blind while I'm playing this. And let me go know if you guys hear the game itself. He came so quietly. Okay, this is gonna be my shelter. I guess I'm gonna make my home here. What was that? I heard something. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, this episode is starting so aggressively. The guys are just mad at me. Like what I have done to them. Okay, it's sunrise again. But I'm waiting a little more. So Yeah, we can make sure I'm safe when I go out. Okay, you know, let's just take this for here right now. Okay, that boat thing is good. That boat saved my life. Ew! That's blood. Ew! Yikes! Disgusting. Okay, did you guys hear that? And my pickaxe just broke. Okay. Oh, the ice goes back. Okay, what's that? Tapping out for a second. I'm back. And we made it. We have a nice farm place right now. You know what? Boat is gonna go here. And then we have doors. Nice. And now we can farm. I gotta go get some wood. This is a big tree. Let's see if we can drop it in one chop. Holy. Okay. Nice. Oh, bushes. Okay, we got food. Wood. Yep, this is my sweet home. Okay, I'm going crazy with torches. So I know pretty much some most dangerous mobs in this mod pack, and the guys that are most dangerous are the Night Dweller. I don't know much about the one who watches, but he's dangerous too. At least I didn't like him. And guys, I'm not good in building, so give me tips if you have any. Now I'm gonna make some trapdoors for the light, so my plants can get the sun to grow. Yo, these noises are so scary. Looking nice for now, I guess. Okay, nice. Okay, let's make the inside a bit more beautiful. So first off, I'm not gonna make this 3 blocks tall roof because the, most of the mobs, creatures that are out here are 3 blocks tall, and I don't want them to be my roommates. In the future, I'm gonna make like shorter videos like this one. This one, I guess I'm aiming for like 20 minutes I'm checking how long it has it been. Okay, 30 minutes. Nice. Okay, it's looking nice. I guess that's it for today's video episode. We got a nice new bunker here, which can help us save. And please like this video and subscribe to my channel so I got more motivation to make more videos, because this series is pretty scary. So yeah, like and subscribe as always. Bye.